start construction today. Got the mix and everything for the concrete, everything we need for them to start. So we're gonna pour the concrete pad, start the wall. And we're actually also gonna insulate the roof and start the pad and everything and the construction in the back. So just a little short update for you guys, but today is the day we finally start. Yay!
'Cause I've been busy, I've been chasing waterfalls. I stopped believing in some kind of miracle, and I've been staring at the sun for
September 1st, guys. Crew is here. Starting on the wall. So, September 1st, getting some things done. Start on the wall here. So we gotta do some more leveling back here. Wasn't level enough. So we're taking dirt from here, this higher side. And they're preparing for the wall up there. They're digging the footings for the wall. Guys are hard at work. Got the hollow block. Yay! Yay! Hey guys. Just a lot happening today, guys. Hello.
Hello.
All the hollow blocks are delivered. Guys are working hard. Got crew working on the front wall. And on the back at the same time. What we're doing here, guys, is instead of building a secondary wall here, they're cutting out chunks and they're putting in added support with big footers to help stabilize the back wall. So we don't have a collapsing issue like they did further down. So they're just cutting out pieces to help stabilize. Because as you can see, that goes down to that little creek or little canal behind it. Yep. Everybody taking a break. Taking a break, had a lunch break, fed them all Jollibee so they can, yay, progress guys, progress. You guys can kind of see from the back side where they did that. They're gonna, so we can add some more foundation support for that back wall. It's because we don't want to have happen what happened down there with that wall. I don't think it will, but it's just added extra support. So that's the back side. The boss.
Okay, very hard working.
Yeah, very hard working. Appreciate you guys so much. Very hard workers, yeah. Yeah, getting the frames ready.
Balik din. Hello. Ano? Hindi naman nakakapasiga na noon.
Big project, guys. What's up, brother?
What's up?
Hey, yeah.
The helmet's easy, it's putting shoes on every time, that's what's takes time, right?
So you having fun on it?
Oh, I love it.
Oh, yeah.
I took it up to Buddha, I took
Looks-
it down some tracks
looking good.
somewhere in... this is brilliant.
Yes.
Bashed it once.
It's looking sharp. Mine's dirty as heck.
I know, I washed it immediately, which is the opposite to my truck, which I just leave as is. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, we're building a wall, a fence, the addition on the back. But
Nice when it's done.
yeah, this is the place. Got a bigger lot. A lot of the other ones, you know, it's smaller, but
Yeah, I know what most. Where's the?
right up to that wall, yeah.
Oh, nice.
We're in the back. We're building all the way. We're building all the way over to that where they're in the corner there. So. Yep, and then we're building awning out here. We're gonna have a big sliding gate, a man gate right here.
That'd be nice. That'd be nice.
Yeah, so a little privacy anyway. Yep.
Get out of here.
Yeah. That's Commander Da'a, guys. I don't know if you guys know. Kulas, friend.
No, this is really. I think they're too shy.
Yeah, they're shy.
Yeah,
Anyway, brother.
I don't want to film this bit. I ripped my shorts earlier.
Yo, uh-oh, uh-oh.
That's alright.
Go!
I do this all the time.
All right, safe drive home, brother.
See ya.
Bye.
All the best.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Nice helmet.
You can go that way, but if I'd go back the way you came, yeah.
What? Good afternoon.
Maayong hapon.
What is
Ano ba?
good evening?
Maayong gabi.
What is, let's have coffee.
Mga penata.
Ah,
I'm learning.
what is, let's eat.
Let's eat. Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3, wala.
Mga on na ta.
Oh, no.
Oh, wait.
What did you say? Let's eat? Yeah, mga ona.
See, I got it. Mga on na ta.
Mga ona.
We already ate, no? Oh,
It's okay. It's hard
yeah.
to
I'm
speak
learning.
English.
Little,
We're learning.
few words. Few words.
No, no. You're welcome. Like, thank you. What's your response? Salamat.
Salamat. Oh,
And
yeah,
then what's
yeah,
your
duh.
welcome?
What's up yan?
Ah. Ay, nako. Ayan.
Oh, I had to think for a second.
Oh, ano siya?
Brain overload.
See, you have to learn more Bisaya.
Yeah, no. Beams for the man gate entrance right there. Okay, the end of day one of their work, getting the frames laid out for the fence. Sliding gate there, man gate. Yay! Whoa!
Kaon lagi dagan lagi daga sa amo kayo.
Ay, wala na ganito.
Tapos siya kumabot.
Guys, ugod kayo ni oh.
It's more level now, isn't it? They're doing a good job, yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
Ano sir, mag-isulod ka ba ng motor?
Baby, going to your motorbike. Going inside.
Yeah, I can come up around this way. Well, no, I can't. There's a hole over there.
How about our...
I can park it over there. Take my level.